In this presentation, we'll talk about the InnoDB Memcached plugin, which is implemented as a MySQL plugin daemon that provides an integrated Memcached daemon that automatically stores and retrieves data from the InnoDB storage engine, effectively turning the MySQL server into a fast, NoSQL style key value store. So with this, instead of issuing traditional SQL statements, you can use simple get, set, and increment or INCR operations, which avoids the performance overhead typically associated with parsing and formulating a query optimization plan. Now, architecturally, we can see that both the Memcached plugin and the traditional MySQL server layers can certainly coexist with each other, so you can also access the same InnoDB tables through standard SQL when necessary, and of course, for the support of traditional database software. But by implementing Memcached and its associated Memcached API, you can significantly speed up database operations by letting InnoDB handle memory caching using its inherent buffer pool mechanism. Now, any data modifications made through Memcached operations such as add, set, or increment are, of course, still stored to disk in the InnoDB tables. Hence, the combination of Memcached simplicity and InnoDB reliability and consistency provides users with essentially the best of both worlds in terms of reliability and performance. So, looking at some of the features and benefits of using Memcached, it provides low latency access to data and direct access to the InnoDB storage engine, which again avoids the parsing and execution planning overhead of traditional SQL. Multi-column support means that InnoDB can handle processing multiple column values into a single Memcached item value, further reducing the amount of string parsing and concatenation required by your application. For example, you could store multiple string values in the cache and then have InnoDB split the values based on a separator character, then store those results in the specified multiple columns. And with only its default configuration, it provides high reliability by avoiding uncommitted data on the database side or stale data returned for Memcached GET requests on the client side. And it supports advanced configuration whereby the system can act as a traditional Memcached server with all data cached only in the Memcached engine, or use a combination of the Memcached engine along with the InnoDB Memcached engine to provide persistent backend storage. And you can configure how often data is passed back and forth between InnoDB and Memcached operations through the commit interval and batch size configuration options. So it depends on the nature of your database and your applications, but by using the InnoDB Memcached plugin, you can gain these benefits, these enhancements, and hopefully the subsequent gain in performance for your applications.